Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest kimchi jjigae or kimchi stew ever. May not be authentic if you're looking for a Korean recipe, but it's still really good and really fast. The whole point of this video is to show you how to make a really fast kimchi stew, and it's a vegan kimchi stew, so it's only with tofu and kimchi. Enjoy. So all you're gonna need for this recipe is 2 ingredients. Kimchi. This is my favorite kimchi. I know there's MSG in there, and some people think MSG is bad for you. And if you think that, then just try to find a kimchi without MSG. But I really like this, so I use kimchi. You gotta make sure that it's kind of soupy. So after you've been eating your kimchi for a while, or if you have a fresh container, you can just drain the juice, because you pretty much want mostly juice and kimchi juice when you're making this. And so the 2 ingredients is kimchi and tofu. So all you do is you dump your kimchi and the soupy kimchi in a bowl. So you have a whole bunch of kimchi juice in there. Then you just gotta put your tofu in there. This is oh crap. So got a piece. Okay. So what you want to do is you slice up your tofu however you like it. Makes heating faster. This is the 1 bowl kimchi. You don't even need a pot for this. Okay. All you do is you put your tofu in there. Might be too much tofu. Oh, perfect. So all you do is you put your tofu in there. And this is the super awesome part. So you put your tofu in there and then you throw it in the microwave. 6 minutes has passed. And there's the soup, nice and hot. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'm going to try this actually. So if you want, you can, I love it with some white rice. So this is some steamed white rice with this soup. It goes really well together. And it's relatively healthy as long as you're okay with the high salt content. I really enjoy this. And I think it's delicious. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Okay, see ya.